Hi there, it's Audrey, and today I'm going to show you what's new and improved in SciNote's protocol templates. Let's start out by taking a look at what is different here in our protocol templates. First things first, there's a couple new columns. You now have a versions column as well as an access column, when a protocol was published and when it was modified. Let's go to this versions column first. You'll see we have a couple different scenarios going on here. Up first, we have some protocols that are only in draft, which means they've not been published and they cannot be pulled into a task. Below that, we've got some protocols that have one version. I have a protocol that has two versions, and I even have a protocol that has one published version, as well as a version that is in draft. Now, something to keep in mind when you have multiple versions of a protocol is only the most recent published version is what can be pulled into the task. So even though there's two versions of this experimental design protocol, only version 2 can be pulled into new tasks. Let's start by making a new protocol draft together. There's a couple different ways. The first option is to click on the protocol number and click this button here called Save as Draft. The other option is to head inside the protocol itself and click this option for Save as Draft. What this is going to do is create that new working version that you can make your edits to and even collaborate with your team members on to make those modifications and changes. If we head back in the templates now, we're going to see that RNA quality and quantity has not only one published version, but also now a draft is in version. A moment ago, I just mentioned that you can work with your team members on your protocols. This is a brand new upgrade to our protocol templates, and you'll see here I've got a couple protocols right now with multiple users on them. Even when you make a new protocol, you can set that access to your whole team. You can even set their assigned role. Navigating the actions you can do with protocols are also improved. If we come down here, it's super easy. I just check it off and I've got all my actions. I can view the different versions, even publish or delete a draft. I can manage protocol access. I can duplicate the protocol, export it, and even archive it. I hope you learned something new today and are excited to test out all that Protocol Templates has to offer. Have a great week and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help. Bye!